Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video, and I'll have a whole video dedicated to that coming up soon. But today is going to be all about me picking up my new couch for my new apartment, because surprise, I'm moving. And then later today I'm picking up my puppy, and I'm so excited because he's so freaking cute. And I can't wait to show you guys. I currently look like crap because we're going to pick up our couch and it's too early. I couldn't be bothered with makeup right now, but I'm outside and it's such a nice day. It feels so good outside. I'm with my baby. Come here. I'm excited to see how she does with the new puppy. I hope they get along okay, but she's been around dogs before and she did pretty good, so I'm not like too worried about it. But you know, she's my OG baby, so gotta make sure she's happy. I'm with Ashley now and we're getting the couches. This is currently the situation. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, right?
Yeah,
it's gonna be fine. Okay, I'm gonna go try to help. Update. We got it in. It looks so funny. It's gonna be fun trying to drive. Alright, so I'm with my mom and Ashley now, and I can barely see you, it's so dark back there. Anyway, now we're gonna go to the pet store because I have to get a leash and then pick up some doggy food. Yay. And then we're gonna head to pick up the puppy.
The baby.
So excited. Yep. I got the puppy, look at him. He's so precious. My little baby.
Welcome to your new world.
He's so cute.
Oh, look at him hiding his face.
So precious.
Oh, he's a baby.
Do you like him, Mom?
I love him. He's a cute, adorable.
Aww. Oh my goodness. Hi, love. Hi, love. Hi, love. Hi, love. Come here. Come here.
He likes bouncing. It is because the grass is tall.
You're so cute, love. Okay, I'm gonna run. Come here. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh. You're so cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Ah, the belly rubs. Come get me. Come here. Come on. You're so cute. Oh, you like the camera? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. So I got the puppy. I think that I'm officially going to name him Ember. So, world, meet Ember. Baby, come here. He's so cute. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, I think he discovered himself in the mirror. What? What, love? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who is that? I think he likes his new toy. Do you like that, baby? Do you like that? So cute. The lighting is not very good. Well, I think that we are just going to relax and probably do a little bit of playing for the rest of the night until he falls asleep. Oh my goodness. He took the ball. Do you like the ball? Precious little baby. Do you like the ball? I couldn't be happier with how freaking adorable and precious he is. He literally has the perfect personality. Love him. Good morning, guys. So it's the next morning with this cutie. We made it through night number 1. Very happy. He cried and whined a lot, which I kind of expected. I looked it up and I was like, he does not understand a mirror. He thinks it's another dog and it's so freaking cute. Ember, 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 what are you doing? Ember. But I was teaching him how to play with this ball. Want the ball? Go get it. So freaking precious. But yeah, the night was rough, but after like an hour of him whining and crying and barking, he finally soothed himself and went to sleep. I took him out twice and I just opened his cage and like looked in there. He didn't have any accidents overnight, which I was completely surprised. I was expecting there to be like poop or at least urine, you know, but no, he did really good. I took him out twice and he didn't have any accidents. This puppy's 9 weeks old. I'm sure tomorrow night or tonight something will happen, but we're off to a good track. I'm so excited. I could not be happier. Hey guys, so it's actually been a few days since that last clip that you guys saw. Me and Ember are just settling into our new home together. He's so playful and loving. I absolutely love this little stinker. He's so precious. And he loves, loves, loves his little toy mushroom here. Don't you love this? So freaking cute. But I'm actually going to end the vlog here. If you guys look forward to seeing more videos with little Ember and him growing up, but I plan on recording every step of the way so that you guys can watch him grow with me. So if you look forward to seeing more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of his cool, fun videos. Little stinker. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments any questions you have about my little pupper, and I will be sure to try and answer them. Bye!